What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am super excited to show you all the slimes that we have for today's restock. Don't forget that we do restock every single Friday at 6 p.m. Central Time. So make sure that you convert to your time zone just to make sure, because I'm in Central, you might be in Pacific or Eastern, you never know. If you need help with that, I will go ahead and place an image on the screen here. Thanks to Updated Slimers on Instagram, they went ahead and converted it to a couple different time zones just to make it a little bit easier for y'all. Another little announcement that I wanted to make in the beginning was that don't forget I'm going to be going to the New York City Slime Expo. I am super excited. I'm also going to be inserting an image here just to let you all know that they're actually going to give you $5 off of your ticket if you want to go. It's in New York City. It's going to be super lit and I'm really excited. They'll actually give you $5 off if you use my coupon code unicorn with 2 eyes. Alrighty, so now that the announcements are out of the way, let's go ahead and start off the restock like normal. We are going to go ahead and start off with the big three is what I am calling them now. So obviously the queen of the big three is going to be Chanel number 2. She is my best seller like of all time. She is a very thick and glossy slime, and the lighting is a little bit too bright right now to show you like the real true gloss, but definitely it's super glossy, scented like Bubblicious bubblegum, very holdable and just amazing. Next up from the big three, we have Baja Blast here. He is definitely like the king of the unicorn slime shop at the moment because he's just my second best seller and everybody seems to really like this slime. I feel like it's very unique. So it's not like a full cloud slime, however it's not a full icy slime either. It's like fluffy, it gives you a little bit of drizzles, yet it definitely is like very sizzly and just looks like an icy like you would expect from an icy slime. It is scented just like Baja Blast. If you don't know what that is, it's a tropical Mountain Dew soda that Mountain Dew came out with. It's like another version of Mountain Dew. It's really good and I love it. I get it every time I go to Taco Bell, and yeah, I just really love this one. I show you here, you see those pulls, they're amazing. Like, they're just little baby drizzles, but it's like enough for you, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just really love this slime so much. And the final slime from the big three is my third bestseller. This one is Mud Mask. He is the new kid on the block, but everybody really likes him at the moment, and so do I. I honestly have so much fun making Mud Mask. It is amazing. This one is a buttercream textured slime, which is also one of my best-selling textures, by the way. This one here is like a mixture between a cloud cream and a butter slime. So if you literally got half of a cloud cream, half of a butter slime, and mixed it together, this is what you would get. It's super sizzly, very creamy and spreadable, yet super thick and holdable as well. It's just really nice, and you know, I just love it. It's scented just like green tea and lemon. Amazing. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you want to see the big three in a trio or like a bundle type of deal where I sell all three of the slimes together in one, because I think that'd be pretty dope. Let me know if that's something you're interested in, because that could help you out. This next slime is one of 2 slimes that were actually requested for me to stock in the shop. So I did get a request from a fan to go ahead and make a galaxy slime, so that is what I did. I was gonna do Interplanet Janet, but I just wanted to kind of reinvent something. So this one here is just plain, it's called Galaxy, and I really like it. It's a really dark purple slime. The purple does not fade over time or anything like that. It's gonna stay purple forever, and it has some hollow moon and star glitters, and it also has some foam beads to act as the planets, large and small, and I honestly just really love it so much. It's very thick, almost putty-like, and I am just a big fan, and it's unscented as well, so if you have a scent allergy, then this one's gonna be perfect for you. I love the scent of this slime so much. It's a hand mixed scent that I made. I'm going to tell you all about it. This one is called Monster Mash. I love it so much because it has a bunch of add-ins. There are some Java chips in there. There are foam beads and marshmallow beads. Also some sprinkles in there as well. And y'all, the best part of this slime besides the scent is that this is actually Chanel's base. So it's basically like if you had a Chanel and you just like dumped a bunch of add-ins in it. This is what you would get, and it smells so good. I hand mixed the scent. It smells like pumpkin cheesecake, coconut, and also birthday cake. It smells really good, and I love it so much. It's super thick, very pokeable, holdable, all of that stuff, and it's really nice, and I love it. Jar of Boogers is a slime that we're bringing back from last year. We did update the scent and we updated the look of it a little bit. So we added in some marshmallow beads and we scented it like green apple gummy bears this time. It smells really good and I love it. This one here is just like reminiscent of Halloween basically, and all things gross during Halloween time. So it's supposed to represent like a jar of boogers, exactly what the name is. So there are some green foam beads, there are green marshmallow beads, which are a little bit bigger than the regular foam beads. And then there's also some little packing peanuts in there just to kind of give it some extra texture and also make it look a little grosser. I just really like it so much, and yeah, I'm really excited that we brought it back. It is in limited quantities though. We only made 1 gallon of it, so you got to get there fast if you want an OG Halloween slime. This slime is so beautiful. I literally want to keep it all to myself. This one is the Mango Dragon Fruit Refresher, and you guessed it, it is exactly inspired by the name from Starbucks. So they have this new refresher. It is Mango Dragon Fruit, and it's so good. It's literally this color. It's like the most Instagram worthy drink I think they've ever had, even from the Unicorn Frappuccino, I think. And then floating on the top of it are these dragon fruit pieces, and they just look beautiful. And so that is what the jelly cubes represent, the little pieces of dragon fruit, and I love it so much. I don't get to make jelly slimes that often, or not jelly slimes, I'm sorry, jelly cube slime. So if you definitely want something that's like a novelty in my shop, I would definitely suggest that you snatch this one. And it's also scented just like the refresher. It smells so good, like mango and dragon fruit, and it still remains clear. I don't even know how I did it, but I did. You might recognize this slime here if you saw my adding too much ingredients into slime video. So I did a video where I added way too much sugar beads into a slime and it was a disaster, but I fixed it and I'm bringing it to y'all at a discount. So it's going to come in a 4-ounce container and it's only going to be $4. There's only a limited amount because it's not even a full gallon worth. So make sure you get to the shop fast if you want to snatch. I actually did scent this like kiwis, and yeah, it just looks like a kiwi lip scrub and I think it is amazing. It's super nice, definitely very bubbly and crunchy and everything that you want from a sugar scrub slime. Blueberry cereal is back at your request. You all wanted it back because I didn't have it last week, so I decided to bring it back for you all. I really like the scent of this one. I feel like it smells even more realistic than last year, and last year it smelled really good. So it smells like blueberry cereal and marshmallows. It's just amazing. I love the scent so much, and it smells so realistic to the actual cereal. If you're not familiar with blueberry cereal, it's actually a real cereal, and I know that they sell it a lot at Target during Halloween time. So go out and snatch it, and then smell it, and then smell my slime. It literally smells the exact same. I'm telling you, it is amazing. I love this slime so much because it has a thick and glossy base, yet it has a lot of texture because of the large foam beads, and also great bubble pops as well. I asked you all on Instagram if there was any old slimes that you would like to see back, and you all definitely wanted to see cereal milk back, so I decided to bring it back. And I even asked you all what cereal y'all wanted it scented like, and you said Lucky Charms, so it is scented just like Lucky Charms, so mouthwatering. I love cereal scents so much. It's like one of my favorite scents ever, and yeah, it's just a very thick and glossy slime. Again, the lighting is a little bit too bright, so you can't see the true glossiness of it, but she is a glossy sister, okay? This one is amazing, very thick, great for a holdable like slime plate if you want to just play with slime and watch TV and just chill. This is definitely the one for you. This next slime is a new one in the shop. This one is called Rainbow Fish, and I love it so much because of the texture. It's just amazing. This one is a jelly slime packed full of iridescent glitter, so it's super sparkly, and it's scented just like Sour Patch Kids. And to give it some texture and also give it that rainbow fish look, there are some rainbow fishbowl beads in here as well. This was actually inspired by one of my subscribers here on YouTube. I hope you're watching. Cute Fox USA Gaming actually asked me to make a jelly slime with fishbowl beads, so this is the second one that I made that a fan requested me. And yeah, I always try to incorporate something that you all want, so definitely if you have any suggestions for me, leave them in the comment section down below. I read all the comments, so just let a brother know what you want and I will try to make that happen for you. I love this one so much because of the texture. Like I said, it's very squishy and holdable because it's a jelly slime, and I love jelly slime so much, but it also has a really nice texture because of those fishbowl beads. It gives it a crunch, and also just, I don't know, it looks very pretty and exactly like a rainbow fish. I love it. If you haven't seen that book, you should definitely check it out. It's a little bit older, but yeah, the book is called Rainbow Fish, so yeah. I was in love with the fact that Monster Mash had Chanel's base, so I had to do it again. I know it's like the second one in the same restock, but I had to. So this one has Chanel's base. This one's called Pop Star. It is scented like fluffy pink candy and Viva La Juicy. It's exactly what I would envision a Pop-Tart to smell like. I know that sounds kind of weird, but that was just my train of thought, and I really, really love this one so much. It just has so much going on. You know, it's a thick and glossy slime, obviously, because it's Chanel, but it also has all of those marshmallow beads that make it very bubbly and crunchy, and I love that so much. There's blue, pink, purple, and gold marshmallow beads in there, and there's also rose gold heart glitters and gold star glitters in there. They're chunky glitters so you can see them, and I love it so much. It makes it sparkly and just adds a lot of character, and this slime is also color changing as well. It goes from a light purple to a darker purple the more that you play with it, and I love it so much. It's like one of my favorite slimes in Restock for sure. And last but not least, we had to bring back some candy floss. I love this one a lot, and you all seem to love it as well. I don't get to make this one that often, so I'm really excited to be bringing it back this week for you all. This one is a cloud slime, and we actually updated the scent to this one, so it not only smells like cotton candy, but it also smells like sugary lollipops as well, which the scent is literally heaven. I love it. It comes with a layer of pink glitter on top and a random candy or sweet treat charm on top of it as well. I love it so much. It's drizzly. The scent is just so dreamy, and it's amazing. Alrighty, y'all, that was pretty much it for this restocking video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, definitely let me know if you have any suggestions for me, and who knows, maybe you can help inspire a slime, and I will definitely give you a shout out for that. And also let me know if you want to see any of these slimes be brought back to life in a future restock, because I can definitely do that. Yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!